In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch replace images in picture placeholders in PowerPoint. If you've ever updated a presentation and worried that swapping images might mess up your layout, this method keeps everything tidy and consistent. The key is to make sure your pictures live inside picture placeholders, because placeholders are designed to hold images while preserving the design choices of your template, like size, crop, and effects. Start by confirming that your images are actually in picture placeholders. Click on one of the images on your slide. If you see the familiar placeholder frame with the little insert icon or a distinct boundary that looks like a designated box, you're in the right place. That frame indicates the slide's layout expects an image there and will manage how it fits. If you don't see that frame, the image might be a regular picture placed manually. You can still replace it, but placeholders provide the most reliable, consistent results because they're tied to the slide layout. Once you've confirmed a placeholder, replace the image without breaking the layout. Click the picture to select it, then go to the Picture Format tab on the ribbon. Choose Change Picture and select from a file. Navigate to the new image you want, select it, and insert. PowerPoint will swap the content inside the placeholder while keeping the frame, so your layout doesn't shift. The dimensions, the position on the slide, any borders, shadows, or effects, and even the crop region remain intact. This is especially helpful when your new images are different sizes or aspect ratios, because the placeholder controls how they fit. To move quickly through multiple slides, repeat the same action. Click the next picture placeholder. Go to Picture Format, choose Change Picture, then, from a file, and insert the next image. PowerPoint will automatically carry over the crop, size, position, and effects for each placeholder, so you get a uniform, polished look with minimal effort. If the new image needs a slight crop adjustment, you can fine-tune it afterwards without losing the preserved layout. A quick tip as you go: keep your replacement images organized in a single folder so you can move from one to the next efficiently. Because the menu path is identical each time, the process becomes a simple rhythm. Select, Change Picture, from a file, Insert. In just a few minutes, you'll refresh your entire deck while keeping your design perfectly aligned. That's all you need to batch replace images in PowerPoint placeholders, fast and frustration-free.